Hey everyone, welcome back to Good Eats with Tips. So today we're making two flatbread pizzas, one with pepperoni and spinach and the other is supreme pizza. So we're going to start out with our Italian sausage. We're going to go ahead and cook this up. And you want to go ahead and prepare everything first, that way it'll be easier. If you're returning to my channel, thank you so much for your support. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. Go ahead and hit that like button if you like this video towards the end. And make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button and also ring that notification bell so that you can receive notifications every time I post a new video. I hope that you guys enjoy this video. My son and I did. You'll see both of us in here working together to get these pizzas made. Again, I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you all. Once you get this bacon cooked up, you want to go ahead and cut it into small pieces so that you can easily apply it or spread it out on your flatbread. And then you also want to cut you up some red onions. You want to cut up some white onions and some bell peppers, and throw in whatever else you want to throw on your pizza. And this recipe is available online at the website at tipsgoodeats.com. Again, go ahead and enjoy. I try not to talk too much throughout the video. I'll see you all towards the end. Done. Make sure your oven is preheated so that you can get your pizzas in the oven. And here's the finished look. This video here doesn't give it justice, but these pizzas were so good. This is like the best flatbread pizza I've ever had. It's better than I've had out in the restaurants. Make sure you try it for yourself. We dusted a little bit of Parmesan at the end, and these pizzas were so delicious. They were very fresh tasting. Make sure you try. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Make sure you check out the recipe at tipsgoodeats.com.